Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Arif Muazzim bin Muhammad Nasir. I'm from MBA 1193B. Today I'm going to explain to you about telegraphic transfer. So let's begin. So do you know what is telegraphic transfer? Telegraphic transfer is the electronic methods to transfer the money whether domestically or internationally. The remitter send the money in their own currency, which is then converted into the destination's currency. Next, telegraphic transfer can be done through telex, fax, or SWIFT. So, there are many advantages of telegraphic transfer. Firstly, telegraphic transfer is a quick method to transfer funds. Secondly, telegraphic transfer accessible to detect money in the system. And thirdly, telegraphic transfer is the most convenient way to transfer the money to abroad because of simple operations procedures. On the flip side, there are several disadvantages of telegraphic transfer. First, it is time consuming. Second, cannot refund back our money if any mistakes happen during transaction. And the third, not the safest way to transferring funds to the beneficiary. There are two types of telegraphic transfer, which are outward telegraphic transfer and inward telegraphic transfer. If the sender make outward local telegraphic transfer, the fund will transfer to a local bank and the Malaysia ringgit will be used for currency. In contrast, if the sender make outward foreign telegraphic transfer, the fund will transfer to a foreign bank and the fund is converted from Malaysia ringgit to foreign currency. Secondly, inward telegraphic transfer. Inward local telegraphic transfer, whereby the receiver or beneficiary will receive from a local bank via Malaysia ringgit. However, inward foreign telegraphic transfer, the receiver will receive from a foreign bank and the fund is converted from foreign currency to Malaysia ringgit. So, first of all, log into MyBank to you. And then on your MyBank to you dashboard, go to Pay and Transfer. And then click Transfer. In the Transfer to, select Overseas. In your transfer, you can select the country that you want to send the money. For example, Bolivia. You enter the amount and then compare. You can choose either Visa Direct or Western Union. So if you choose Western Union, just click Transfer. So you need to enter the sender's detail like promo code. This is optional. Your name, citizenship, city, and so on. In the second, you need to enter the recipient details like the recipient first name, last name, postal code, city, country, until date of birth, and then you need to fill the transfer details. You need to select the purpose of payment like gift, and then select the sub purpose. You need to click on this and you can transfer. Finally, you will receive the information details after you complete fill-in details just now, and you must request the number tag and enter the tag before you can click the confirm button. The service fee or charge of telegraphic transfer is 30 ringgit to all countries from Malaysia, but if you want to make transaction to Singapore from East and Peninsula of Malaysia, the service fees are 50 ringgit from East Malaysia and 10 ringgit from Peninsula Malaysia. If we make the transactions from MyBank to you via individual account or business account, the limitation is from 1 ringgit until 49,999 ringgit. If the transaction from Maybank branch of Forex book, there is no limit for the transactions. Finally, if the transaction from the external account, the limitation is 10,000 ringgit.